Hello everybody, my name is Morgan Meggs here at Lexus of Jacksonville in the Technology Department, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set the height adjustment for your power back door. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video.
To begin, we'll locate our touchpad area and press Menu. From there, we'll select Setup, Vehicle, Vehicle Customization, Other Vehicle Settings, and Power Back Door Opening Adjustment. Here, we can select between 5 different height adjustments, 5 being the highest setting and 1 being the lowest. The benefit to setting your power back door height is for owners with a low-hanging garage roof. This feature helps prevent any damage to the back door on your Lexus.
Alright everybody, that's going to conclude today's video on setting the height adjustment for your power back door. Thank you for watching.
Oh hey there, you got any questions, comments, or concerns? Let us know.